Hi guys, I'm at Holden Community Park and I found looks like it's a dog walking trail. Doesn't say anything about bicycles not being allowed, so I have no idea if this is going to be 1 minute or an hour. Let's find out. Let's just check off this little cutoff here. Oh, we're at the airport, so that's cool. And this is a trail as well, but let's continue on this one. Hey, maybe we just found something new, guys. And put it down to pedal assist 1 and just go for a stroll here. This is advertised as a walk your dog trail, I guess. So I'll keep my speed down. Oh, I'm liking this. Man, there's all kinds of different ways. Oh, I think this is going to circle around. Yeah. Another trail right over there. Always got to look where you're going on the e-bike, especially. They're heavy. As soon as you take your eyes off where you're going there as well. Somewhere you don't want to be. I don't know. I think you're gonna go back the other way. I think I chose the wrong way, maybe. Sounds like I might have a screw loose somewhere. Should tighten up all the nuts and bolts on this thing later. Put that on the maintenance plan. I think this is the way I haven't gone yet. Oh man, there's so many. picnic table out here. Yeah, so this basically just does a bunch of loops around. Let's check out the airport. Basketball court. Whoa. So yeah, I was looking and worrying about how thick that edge of the trail was, and I went right off. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. That is the video of the dog walking trail.